Welcome back to the channel from Zero to Data Hero. So today's question is about book sales, and it was asked in the Amazon interview, and it is a type of medium problem. So it's asking to calculate the total revenue made per book, and it should output the two columns. One is book ID and the total sales per book, and also there is a condition as well. So in case there is a book that has never been sold, include it in your output with a value 0. So basically, if a value is not present for the book that has never been sold, we need to replace it with 0 instead of null. So there are two tables, one is Amazon books and one is Amazon book order details. So we will use a join, like we will use the book ID column here as it's the primary key, and it's the you, in and it's also present in the Amazon books order details book ID as well. So we will join it. The only thing is that which join to use. You will have a question mark in your mind. So we can't use inner joint, as there is a condition mentioned that we also want to mention the book that has never been sold. So selling, if the book is sold, its order details is mentioned in this table. So if it is never been sold, then we need to definitely use the left join. The inner join can't be used. We'll use the left join. So we'll start it. Select. I will give you an alias for Amazon books as b dot book ID, comma. Now the main thing is we will need to use a COALESCE function. So COALESCE function is basically used to replace the value if there is a null with any value that we want to add. So it's basically comma 0, but before that we will do a calculation for that. So we need to calculate total sales per book, right? So basically we will do unit price into quantity. So it will give the total value of a book. So, and for total value we will write sum of b dot unit price into, and I will give an alias as O for the order details, O dot quantity. So what is it saying? That if we have the value here, it will give the value. If not, then we will give this value. So did you understand? It's like if else condition. If this satisfies, we will return this value like in the COALESCE, or if not, then we will give the value as 0. From Amazon books as B, this is the alias, and left join will join the table with Amazon book order details, and we will give the value, give the alias as O. Then we'll write the condition for the join, where the b dot book underscore id is equal to O dot book underscore id. So did you get it? So now the left join is done on basis of book ID of the books table and order ID of the orders table. Now we need to calculate the total revenue made per book. But before that, we'll check whether it's running without any errors. Yeah. So it's getting a total sum without any COALESCE function. So basically, without the uses of COALESCE function. So basically, we need to do for each user. So we'll do group by. We'll do the group by using the b dot book ID. So you're getting the B004 was null, so it's changed to 0 because of the COALESCE function that we are using. So COALESCE function is basically we will replace if there is any null or anything that we want to replace. Yeah. So it's basically used for replacing the null values. And yeah, we'll check the solution and it's solved. Yeah, it's solved. And for making it precise, we can give it as total underscore revenue. And now it's done. So yeah, that's it. It's a tricky question. You need to definitely know the functions that are used in SQL because some of them might go out of your mind during your interview. So please keep a check of all these functions. You can make a cheat sheet and keep it with you for your reference. So yeah, that's it. That's it for now. Hope you liked it. Follow for more updates. Keep thriving and stay updated.